Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the FACEIT installation has failed error on Windows. This problem usually appears when leftover services, cache files, or system restrictions block the installer. Let us go step by step and fix it properly. Step 1. Stop FACEIT services completely. First, make sure no FACEIT processes are running in the background. Right-click on the Windows taskbar and open Task Manager. Switch to the Details tab. In the search box, type FACEIT. If you see FACEIT service.exe or any FACEIT-related process, right-click on each one and select End Task. Also make sure no anti-cheat or launcher service related to FACEIT is running. Once everything is closed, move to the next step. Step 2. Delete FACEIT cache and leftover files. Now we will remove corrupted or incomplete installation files. Press Windows +R to open Run. Type %localappdata% and press Enter. Inside the folder, open App Data. Go to Local. Look for any FACEIT folder. Right-click and delete it. Go back one step. Open Localo. If a FACEIT folder exists, delete it. Again, go back. Open Roaming. Delete the FACEIT folder if present. This clears all old data that usually causes the installation failure. Step 3. Restart your PC. This step is important and often skipped. Restart your computer. Do not open Steam, Discord, or any game launcher after reboot. A clean restart helps reset locked services. Step 4. Temporarily disable antivirus and Windows security. Sometimes security software blocks the installer. Temporarily turn off third-party antivirus, if installed. Windows Defender real-time protection. Do not worry, we will enable it again after installation. Step 5. Download the latest FACEIT client. Now download a fresh installer. Open your web browser. Download the latest FACEIT client from the official website. Do not use an old setup file. Once downloaded, right-click the installer. Select Run as administrator. Step 6. Install with correct permissions. During installation, accept the terms and conditions. Make sure all required checkboxes are selected. Click Next and wait patiently. Do not minimize or interrupt the installer. Step 7. Enable required Windows features. If the error still appears, try this advanced fix. Press Windows +R. Type optional features and press Enter. Make sure these are enabled. .NET Framework 4.8 or latest. Windows Hypervisor platform if required. Click OK and restart your system. Step 8. Check Windows date, time, and region. Incorrect system time can break FACEIT installation. Right-click on the clock in the taskbar. Open Date and Time Settings. Enable. Set time automatically. Set time zone automatically. Restart once more if you made changes. After following all these steps, the FACEIT installation has failed error should be completely fixed. This method works for most Windows 10 and Windows 11 systems. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing and enabling notifications so you never miss future fixes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot.